What are printables and why are they good for your body, mind, and soul? Stay tuned to this video because I'm going to show you all about printables and I'm going to give you some amazing ideas for ways that you can improve your body, mind, and soul using printables. So stay tuned. Alright, let's get right into this video. I'm really excited for this one because printables are one of my favorite things in the world. I've been making them for about 3 years now and I'm selling them in my Etsy shop. And my shop focuses on body, mind, and soul, of course, because that's what this channel is all about. Holistic health and holistic wellness and improving the physical, mental, and spiritual health of you as a whole person. So let's get right into this. What are printables exactly and why should you be using them? Printables are just a PDF file that you can download instantly and print at home. I think that's the coolest thing in the world because literally you can buy one, download it, print it, and start using it within minutes. And these are amazing printables. You can get printables for anything, but I really think that using printables to improve your life it's just a no-brainer. Like, I don't know why people would spend money on these like really expensive courses that are a couple $100 and going to coaches when you can just use printables because they have printables for everything. They've even got printables for shadow work, which is something that, you know, most people don't really do unless they go to therapy. So why not just do it from the privacy of your own home for dollars? That's how much printables are. So what are some common printables that people buy on Etsy? Planners. This is a big one because people love to plan and I love to plan. Planners are some of my favorite things to make, and the pictures that you see here are some of the planners that I have. There's a life planner, a daily routine planner, just a typical planner, self-care planners. They come in any type of planner that you could possibly want. Journals. So having journal prompts. This is one of my favorite ways to create printables because journals are one of my favorite things in the world, and I think journaling is one of the most therapeutic things that you can do. So why not, you know, why not print off some journal prompt pages? They're fun, they're cute. I mean, you can buy pretty designs, and they're like I said, they're only a couple dollars. Workbooks. This is another example of why or how you can improve all parts of your life. There's workbooks for everything. There's workbooks on how to improve your spiritual health. What was I trying to say? There's workbooks on trying to improve your physical health, like how to eat better, how to exercise better. There's workbooks for finding your life purpose. Just so many workbooks out there. And, you know, it's kind of like a rabbit hole. I went down this rabbit hole on Etsy where I just downloaded a bunch of workbooks because they were $2, you know, like, why not? Checklists. This is another thing that you can do. I love checklists because how else can you keep track of what you're going to do and what you have done and organize these things, like, you know, to-do lists. I'm just obsessed with these types of things. So step 1 is to purchase and download a printable on Etsy. Simple. So when you go to Etsy, all you do is type in the search printable, and then you can also type in, of course, what kind of printable you're looking for. If you don't know what kind of printable you're looking for, just the word printable will be just fine, because you will see so many amazing ideas and awesome things that you want. Then the next step is to, after you purchase it, print it right at home, or if you don't have a printer, you can go to your local print shop. You can go to any place. I think even Walmart might even do this in their little desk section. I don't shop at Walmart, but I'm pretty sure that places like that have a little, you know, place where they can. I'm not quite sure how it works, but I think you can either email them the file or put the file onto a flash drive and carry the flash drive in there. They would be able to help you with that. do that for you. But most people have printers, so this is not an issue because most of the time you can just do it right from home within seconds. Step 3, use it in a clipboard or a binder. So my favorite is binders because I'm just an organizing freak, and I just love binders because you can make a binder for everything. And I've got videos on this showing exactly what I do with my binders and how I create them, and they cost dollars. You don't have to spend a lot of money on this at all. This is for the budget-friendly person that is looking for ways to organize all of these printables that they use. And binders are good for daily planners, daily routines, business planners, anything that you need a bunch of papers organized together. And of course, clipboards are good too, because clipboards are usually have that little hook on the back, a little hole or whatever, so that you can hang it on the wall. I have like 5 clipboards and I use those for the ones that are loose, the ones that don't really go in a binder, or the ones that I use sometimes every day for certain things. Like I put my meal planning on a binder, my meal planner printables on a binder, or not a binder, a clipboard, because that way I can just flip the pages in and out. I can easily switch, you know, once the week is done, I can throw the one away on top and then put a new one on there. So they work for different purposes, binders and clipboards. But another thing you can do with printables is you can laminate them. And I have a couple different types of printables that I use that are good for laminating because they're one page and they're references, like reference charts for, you know, herbs and spices, or reference charts for daily wellness practices. Anything that you want to see every day, and then you can like put it on your refrigerator. I love putting my printables on my refrigerator. They're just, because that's the place where you see them. You know, you see them all the time. So many different ways that you can use printables. So here's the big question, is how can printables actually help you in your life? How can they help you to improve your life? You can organize your life, you can express and process your thoughts and feelings, you can reach your goals, you can create a healthy lifestyle, that's my favorite one, and you can create, or you can make positive changes. All of these things, whatever your need. So it just covers a wide variety of improvements. This is really the perfect thing for people that are really into personal growth and self-improvement. Where can you buy high-quality printables to improve your body, mind, and soul? I betcha I know what you're thinking, and you're right. Etsy. So this is my Etsy shop. It's called Holistic Lifestyle 101. I couldn't use Holistic Lifestyle Guide because it was too long by 2 letters, so I had to shorten it, and that's what it is. So if you find my shop on Etsy, you'll see all of my products. I've got over 110 in there right now at the time of this recording. So that is where you can go if you're looking for printables for your body, mind, and soul. And if you're looking for printables that pertain to other things, like there's printables for wedding invitations, baby showers, bridal shower games, signs that you can buy to print off, all sorts of things. But I specialize in, you know, the workbooks, the planners, the journals, the checklists, the things that are going to help you improve your physical health, your mental health, and your spiritual health. So go to Holistic Lifestyle 101 on Etsy if you're looking for stuff like that. And if you are just really intrigued by the thought of printables and you want to learn more, I've got lots and lots of videos about printables. This is the playlist for you. So have fun binging on these videos, and be sure to follow this channel if you like holistic wellness. I talk about holistic wellness a lot. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.